Okay friends, before we get started on doing our ignition coil here, we just wanted to make sure that you have safety as your #1 concern. Always have your eye protection and your hand protection. Let's get started. Let's come right over here on the passenger side of the engine. If we're looking for the coils, you're going to see them right up along the top or side, right along here. All 4 going down the side, and then of course on the other side of the engine you'll have the same 4. Now we're going to show you on this front one right here because it's the hardest one. And it's not very hard at all, but it is the hardest. We need to grab these heater core hoses, move them out of the way. Once they're out of the way, we need to remove this bracket. Use your 10mm and take off this nut. The next thing we're going to do is take a nice small pocket screwdriver. You can use pretty much anything, including your finger. But if you take the small pocket screwdriver, you can go right along here, lift up on this tab, and then you should be able to draw your electrical pigtail away. Now let's move on down from the coil to the spark plug wire. Grab onto it, give it a nice twist, and pull it right off. Looking at the coil, on either side, you're going to see a 7mm bolt. Remove both. Hold on to that coil. There's nothing holding it on there except for this bolt at this point. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new coil. Just going to take it, bring it right down here, and I'm going to line it up with exactly where I removed it from. Start in both of my bolts before I tighten either of them down. There we go, both are started. Let's go ahead and snug them up. I always like to use a regular ratchet to make sure they're snug. Go ahead and connect in your electrical connector. Let's grab that spark plug wire. Go ahead and use a little bit of dielectric grease in there. That's going to be helpful. And then connect it right onto your coil. Listen for a little click noise. Give it a nice twist and a nice little tug. Make sure it's secured on there. You also want to make sure that your spark plug wire is in no way touching that exhaust manifold. So now the replacement process for all the rest of the coils would be the same at this point. But moving along, to finish up with this coil, we need to make sure we get this bracket back on. I'm going to take the bracket, put it on there just like this. Snug it right up. Oops. There we are. Make sure it's nice and tight. Make sure you secure your heater core hoses. Double check everything. This looks great.